We will start with the new topics, taxes and insurance. So, what are the basic conditions for each and every industry to depend upon the taxes and insurance which are laid by the different government bodies, which has to be collected by the industries as well as by the common person. So here we will talk about the taxes and insurance which are basically collected by these three form of bodies: central body, state body, or local body, which on certain rules and regulations laid by those bodies imply taxes on the industries as well as on the common people. Each and every industry has to pay taxes as per their profit, and simultaneously insurance is also one of the major aspects for each and every industry to have a proper insurance of their industry as well as the employees, those who are working in the industry, for their safety. Insurance is basically the one of the methods for the safety of the industries as well as for the safety of the employees, those who are working in that industry. Coming to the topic, expenses for taxes and insurance play an important part in determining the economic situation for an industrial process, because central government, state government, and the local government may account to the major portion of concern of earning. It is essential for each chemical engineer to understand the basic principles and the factors underlying taxation, why taxation is necessary, and at what stage you have to start paying the taxes. Each and every chemical engineer should know which type of taxes are implemented by the central government, which type of taxes are implemented by the state government, which type of taxes are implemented by the local government. That has to be very much clear by the engineers, those who are working in that industry. Now coming to the insurance cost ordinarily are only a smart part of the total expenditure involved in an industrial operation. However, adequate insurance coverage is necessary before any operation can be carried out on a sound economic basis. So insurance factors, as I have told you, that it is one small portion of the profit earned by the industry, which the industry has to spend on its insurance coverage, so that its industry is free from or protected from the different types of emergencies which are going to happening, or different types of mishappenings which are going to occur. Secondly, the employees, those who are working in the industries, are also covered by the insurance coverage, so that they may be benefited whenever it is required. Now coming to the point that how the taxes and the insurance are decided. So as I have told you, that taxes are governed by the central government, state government, as well as the local bodies or the local government which are running at the local stage. So these taxes are basically decided by these local bodies, and these local bodies, such as central government bodies, such as state government bodies, as well as the local bodies, commonly decide the rate of taxes, and those rate of taxes, when once decided, are collected at different states. Few taxes are collected at central level, other taxes are collected at state level, and few taxes are collected at the local level, where we say that at the district level or at the city level, where we are having a different bodies or local bodies which are running. For example, water tax, then house tax, then registry tax. Okay, these are the certain tax which are collected at the local level. Then there are certain taxes which are collected at the state level as well as the um, central level. Those are in the different form that they are collected simultaneously, that if we are buying petrol, diesel, or any such commodities which is required for our purpose, then we are paying taxes to the central body as to the state body. So whatever we are paying when we are purchasing these products such as petrol, diesel, or any other product, automobile, we are paying a certain amount of tax to the central body or to the state body, and those taxes are decided by the central body, that how much part of tax is implemented by the central body, how much part of the tax is implemented by the state body, and that we have to pay to that. Tax part is added into the main price of the product, and simultaneously we pay the taxes according to that. Now coming to the types of taxes which are there. So basically we classify our taxes into three categories. First is property tax, second is excise tax, third is the income tax. These taxes are levied by the central government, state government, as well as the local government, and on those basis only the amount which is levied by the central, state, as well as local government, that is collected at the different level. Now coming to the property tax, I have told you that local government usually have jurisdiction over property tax, which are commonly charged on the county basis. As I have told you about the registry office, house tax. So these are the taxes which are collected by the local bodies. Okay, house tax is collected by the local development authority of your place. Then property tax, when you are selling or buying any property, then that property tax is collected by the registry office in the form of stamp paper, which you have to pay according to the cost of your land, which is implemented, the percent is implemented by the government, that at what percentage, at what circle rate your body is there, your plot is there, or your land is there, and on that land you have to pay this much percentage of tax. So these local bodies decide, and then according to their decisions, the rate of taxes which we have to pay this. In addition to these, individual cities and towns may have a special property tax for industrial concern located within the city limit. We very well know that there are certain cities which are categorized into different A category, B category, C category. So when on categorization of A, B, and C, that at A category, the property tax rates are different because the circle rate is different. B category, the property tax rates are different, circle rates are different. Same way in C category, as well as for the industrial regions also, you have a different types of taxes which you have to pay to these local bodies. So property taxes vary widely from one locality to another, but the average annual amount of these charges is 1 to 4% of the assessed valuation. Now it has increased to 7%. As here it is 1 to 4%, but nowadays presently it is 7% of the assessed valuation. The assessed valuation is done on the circle rate of that particular land, whatever circle, and the circle rate is decided by the local government which is concerning that. So as I have told you that the A cities will have different circle rates, B cities will have different circle rates, C cities will have different circle rates, and the charge, that as I have told you, that 7% will vary for different cities in different. So taxes on these types are referred to a direct sense. They must be paid directly by a particular concern and cannot be passed on as such to the consumers.